Vilakati. I'm the Maintenance Clerk here at Eswatini Housing Board, and I've been with the organization for the past 22 years. I'm based in Matapa. As an extrovert person, I enjoy interacting with people, be it ekhaya, emsebentini, with my colleagues, noma ngema-tenants. And again, I enjoy receiving even new tenants because uba nebantfu labafikako in the organization. So ngiyajabula kakhulu ukusebenzisana nebantfu nabafika. Wow. Okay, I was once recognized by one of a maternity app, and funny enough, mina bengimthatha as one of our difficult customers because of the way Lagani. But he went to an extent whereby watobonga even in the organization ngendlela lengimphethe ngayo nangendlela lesimservice ngayo. And I even got a gift from the organization, and I was so humbled. Okay, I contribute by ensuring that we deliver quality services to our tenants. And we don't only listen to their complaints and reports, but by making sure that we service them according to the standards sa housing board kuma customers akhe. So, and again, bese senda feedback for every report leyo tenant le yentile. So because we want to make the customer feel at home, ahlale akhululekile, and even the environments outside ativele nje kasekhaya and are happy. That's how I contribute. Kwekugcina maswati lamahle kungaba ukuthi please do come and stay with us, and please rest assured now uhleli nathi la Eswatini Housing Board, you will really feel at home. Naku Ekhaya.